Hover Junkers is a room-scale virtual reality flying platform game where you and your bros fly around on hovering warships, I guess you could call them, that match your room space. You're able to fortify them with junk and attack people in the wasteland, I guess.
We're gonna have to kind of act it out.
Act it out.
Yeah. You'll see.
Like, make the video.
Okay, I'm in VR, right? I'm in the menu. What do I see?
As soon as you load into this game, you basically spawn on the ship in...
Yep, so there's a ship around me. It's like the size of this room.
Yeah, and you have a box full of stuff that you're able to
My
grab.
hands are tracked and my head is tracked, so I can walk around this room and whatever I see will be updated and I can see my hands floating there in front of me. So the first thing I do is...
Open this box full of random junk that you're able to place all over your ship.
Opens and flips out, grab some junk, start placing it to defend myself.
Yep, and you can, obviously there's a control box that lets you fly the ship wherever you want to go and search for more junk to fortify your ship even more. And
you can have 2 people on each ship, so Alex is navigating.
So I could be flying the ship. And,
I'm back here, popping the chest open and like placing like defenses. I'm like, okay, try to get on the right side of him because I'm putting all our defenses on the left.
Enemy ship. You know?
So I'm gonna switch my gun to the hand cannon, the revolver, the Redliest.
With both wood.
Yeah, both wood.
Just immediately
slap it out, check to make sure we got 6 shells, and then, right?
Keeps
take
like
cover because we placed all this cover around. So I'm gonna take cover behind here. This is all while playing the game. You might want to get knee pads because you're not. You see a lot of people slamming their knees. Either carpet or knee pads are gonna be basically required. And then people go past where shoot, try to destroy their cover, and try to take them out and send them back to their maker. And we're gonna steal their loot. We're gonna harvest their ship. And then take out more people and sail to the sunset.
Hover Junkers is going to be specifically a VR game, so it will not work without a VR headset. It will be with the Vive launch.
Currently, holiday 2015 is what it's slated for.
That's when our game comes out.